Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure Windows 11 is up to date and you are signed in as an administrator. Once done, close Edge and any background apps that might lock files. Next, use Task Manager to end any Microsoft Edge or Edge update processes so files are free. Finally, restart File Explorer. This refreshes shell integrations. You're now ready to run targeted fixes that replace corrupt components without reinstalling the OS. You'll execute the complex middle steps to repair core components. First, run command prompt as admin and execute sfc/scano. Then run dism/online/cleanupimage/ restore health to fix system image issues. Once those complete, open an elevated PowerShell and re-register Edge's apps package to restore missing app registrations. Make sure to reset Edge from settings apps if registration fails, and clear the user data, cache, and app data to eliminate corrupted profiles that prevent launching. You finish by completing final steps and a key troubleshooting tip. Reboot the PC and test Edge. If it still won't open, create a fresh Windows user profile to rule out profile corruption. If necessary, uninstall recent Windows updates that preceded the problem, or reinstall Edge using an offline installer while preserving important data. Make sure to check Event Viewer and filter application logs for Microsoft Windows application error entries. Those error codes point exactly to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.